Hello Zenith, you had some questions about how significant digits work, and I just wanted to go over that with you. As you said, you weren't understanding what the content page was saying. Significant digits basically tell you or communicate to the person that's reading your work how precise your answer is. So if something has 4 significant digits, it has more precision than something with 2 significant digits. So what you need to know is when you're doing figuring out significant digits, it depends on what mathematical operation you're doing. So for example, if we're doing multiplication or division, your answer is going to have the same number of significant digits as the number with the least number of significant digits used in your calculation. So in the content, it gives you an example. In this case, where you're taking 2.2 and we're multiplying it by 3.46. So if you look at these numbers, 2.2 has 2 significant digits, 3.46 has 3 significant digits. So if we multiply these values together, we get 7.612. This is something with 4 significant digits. Now, our answer has to have the same number of significant digits as the number with the least number of significant digits used in our calculation. So this number has 2 significant digits, which is less than 3. So our answer has to be rounded to have 2 significant digits. So we're going to take 4.62 or 7.612. It means we want to have 2 significant digits. So I'm going to look, there's digit 1, there's digit 2. I'm going to look at the value that's after that, and then I'm going to round my answer. So since this value is 1 and that's less than 5, I'm going to round my answer to 7.6. So my answer has 2 significant digits, and that's the answer. Now, if you're doing addition or subtraction, the rules are a little bit different. What you need to do is you need to look at the number of decimal places. So in our example, we have 3.2 plus 4.57. So this one has been measured to the 10th, and this one has been measured to the 100th. So this one right here is more precise. So when we add these numbers together, we get 7.77. Our answer has to be the number with the least number of significant digits, or the one that hasn't been measured as precisely. You can see that this one's only been measured to the 10th. This one's more accurate, so we're only certain in the 10ths column. So we have to have our answer with 2 significant digits. So we're going to look at, again, we want 2 significant digits. That's right here. Look at the value that's after. Since 7 is greater than 5, we're going to round our answer up to 7.8. And that's going to be our answer, correct with 2 Sig Digs. So I hope that helps. That's all significant digits are. You just look at what operation you're doing. You count how many significant digits that are used in the calculation. For multiplication or division, you go with the one with the least number of significant digits, and that's what your answer should have. And then addition and subtraction, we take a look at the decimal places. And the one with the least number of decimal places, that's what our answer is going to have as well. Now, if you're doing multiplication, addition, and multiple operations in one question, then you just go with the least number of significant digits given to you in the question. So if you're having to do addition, subtraction, and then later on in the question you're doing multiplication and division, if you were given numbers like 3.1 newtons and 3.765 meters per second, you're just going to give your answer with the number of significant digits that's least given in the question stem. So in this case, your answer would have 2 Sig Digs. So I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, please let me know in private discussions. Have a good day.